is Natasha. Welcome to the JUSTVID.
In this video, we are going to tell you about flood.
Flood is a large amount of water from a river, the ocean, etc. that covers an area which should be dry. When water overflows onto dry land, a flood takes place. Floods have always been a part of life on Earth. Almost every culture has a legend about a great flood. Since ancient times, people have built their cities along river because they use the water for drinking and for farming. River floods therefore affect many people.
In some places,
People have built dams or levees to protect land from river flooding.
Floods can be dangerous and destructive. However, floods are not always bad. When muddy water go down, they sometimes leave a layer of rich, smooth soil. People in ancient Egypt depended on flooding of the Nile River every year to help them grow their crops. Most often, flooding is caused by heavy rains over a long period of time. After a lot of rain, the grounds become full of water and urine water runoff or flows downhill. That runoff goes directly into streams and rivers. In springtime, the rain may be combined with melting snow. Because of the extra water flowing into the streams and rivers, the water level rises. If the level rises so much that the water overflows the banks, a flood occurs.
Flooding can be worse if there is not much vegetation, trees, grass, and another plant on the land around the river. In general, land that has little vegetation is less able to absorb water. The result is a larger amount of water entering a river system. One of the most terrible floods is in Kaifeng, China. Kaifeng, a prefecture-level city in eastern Henan province. More than half of 600,000 residents of Kaifeng were killed by flood caused by the Ming Army, leading to terrible disasters such as famine and plague, making it one of the deadliest single acts of war in history and the second greatest single act of human life at this time.
video and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.